Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making the perfect recipe for summer. So let's see how to make chocolate brownie ice cream. Here I've used the 1-minute brownie which you can make in microwave, and the recipe for this is already uploaded in my channel. Please check the description for the recipe link. So let's start making the ice cream. Take a chilled bowl and chilled whisk, and here I've used heavy cream 500 ml that is also really chilled. You have to whip the cream till you get soft peaks. Now add in half tin condensed milk. Whip it again. Once the condensed milk is well incorporated, add cocoa powder. Give it a mix with the spatula and then whip it. Scrape down from the sides and whip everything really well. Now take a freezer-safe container and pour half of the chocolate whipped cream into the bowl. Just level it. Now take the brownie and cut them into small square pieces like this and place it on top of the whipped cream. Now I like these big chunk of brownie pieces in my ice cream. But if you want, you can crumble these brownie and mix it with the whipped cream. Now to make it more chocolatey, I'm drizzling some melted dark chocolate. Now pour rest of the whipped cream on top. I'm adding more melted chocolate on top of the ice cream, which will make the ice cream more chocolatey and also gives a beautiful design. Now freeze this for 7 to 8 hours or overnight. There you go, our ice cream is ready. Just keep this on the room temperature for some time and then start scooping it. So when you take out each scoop of the ice cream, you can see the brownie pieces inside, which makes it more delicious. You can also slice these ice creams and take it, so you can see how beautifully these brownies have arranged inside the ice cream. Garnish it with some more brownie pieces and let's dig in. See how creamy our ice cream is? It's far better than the store-bought ice creams. And you can also see the brownies inside. Brownie and ice cream taste really amazing. So definitely try out this ice cream and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.